Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss the features associated with profiles and the process for maintaining accurate profiles. We'll be discussing the similar features of guest profiles, corporate accounts, sales masters, and travel agents. We've all heard the saying, garbage in, garbage out. New guest profiles are created automatically, so as hotel staff make reservations, it is vital to check if guests have an existing profile. If they already have a guest profile and you don't use it, you will create a duplicate guest profile record. If duplicate profiles are created, this will cause CloudPM to have revenue and statistical reporting spread over several records instead of just one. In contrast, corporate accounts, travel agents, and sales masters must be built in their respective menus before they can be used on reservations or groups. Let's start by taking a look at each of the retrieval screens, noting the similarities between them. In the Profile module, under Find, I'll click Guest Profile. Here you see the retrieval screen has several search options relevant to looking up a guest, such as first and last name. Compare that to the Corporate Account retrieval screen. Here we have search fields pertaining to corporate accounts, such as corporate name and account code. Looking at the Sales Master retrieval screen, we find search fields that apply to Sales Master profiles, such as contract ID and account status. The Travel Agent retrieval screen likewise contains fields specific to travel agents, such as agency name and IATA number. Now let's look at a profile. Since I'm already in travel agents, I'll look up American Express Travel. By now, you're familiar with CloudPM's display, a ribbon bar with various functions, a statistics bar with things like revenue and room nights, and the information area. On the ribbon bar are three areas: Actions, Show, and Utilities. Each grouping allows us to perform a different set of functions. The Actions section allows us to save our work, save and close the current record, refresh our screen, or make a copy of the account we're working with. Copy would be used if we had similar data to build for another account, division, or different location of the same agency or company. For the next area, let's take a look at a corporate account. Notice the ribbon bar is exactly the same. In fact, all four types of profiles share identical ribbon bars. Under the Show section, we have two options. Profile Info shows the specific details about the record, which is what we're looking at now. The other option under the Show section is the Guest Stays button, which shows us the reservations attached to this profile. If desired, we can click on the guest name hyperlink to be taken to their reservation. Now let's look at a guest profile. I'll look up Jetson. Looks like we have duplicate profiles. Let's select the second record. It appears to have more information completed. Now we'll review the utilities options of Profile Merge and Add Stay. By selecting the Add Stay button, we're taken directly to a reservation booking window where all the data from the guest profile is filled in for us. This saves time and improves accuracy. We don't need this booking, so I'll click the X and go back to our profile. There's one more button on the ribbon bar that we haven't discussed yet, Profile Merge. Remember we saw there were two profiles for Mr. Jetson? Profile Merge enables us to eliminate that duplicate profile without losing any of our revenue and stay information from the statistics bar. When using Profile Merge, the profile we have open is the one that CloudPM will keep, so it's important to start on the correct profile. Clicking the Profile Merge button opens a guest profile search window. Enter a few letters of the guest's last or first name, and click Search. Highlight the profile you wish to merge and click OK at the bottom of the screen. If you accidentally selected the same profile you're already using, CloudPM will tell you it can't do that. Click OK and we're returned to the search results. I'll choose the other profile this time. Yes, I'm sure. Great, the profile merge was successful. Click OK and you're returned to the guest profile screen. When I click on the refresh button, notice the statistics toolbar updates with the combined stay and revenue information, and the duplicate profile has been eliminated. The profile merge function works the same way across all 4 types of profiles, so the above steps can be used for duplicate corporate profiles, sales masters, and travel agents as well. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. Please feel free to contact your account manager or our customer support center for additional questions.